Continuing with our series of special hazards affecting property owners, we learned a lot during our May of 2010 flood here in Nashville. I've asked Mary Lewis to continue this discussion with us concerning landslides and mudslides. Mary, in May, when we experienced all the flooding, I know in my neighborhood, we had about 6 homeowners that had huge problems from mudslides coming down the hillsides, knocking trees down, and later rendering their property untenable, and the city codes would not let them even rebuild in those areas. Can you tell me the difference in a landslide and a mudslide?
Yes, and we learned a lot during this flood about the difference between landslide and mudflow. Landslide is water and mud coming down the side of a hill. So if it's a home where it has a hill behind it and the trees fall down, mud falls down into the home, there is no coverage under a homeowner's policy or a flood policy for landslide. Mudflow is a normally flat surface of land where the water has carried the mud into your home or your basement, and that there is coverage under a homeowner's and a flood policy if you have flood insurance. So it's really a sad situation because there were a lot of homeowners in this area that did not have any coverage for landslide, and they're just out of luck.
Can coverage for landslide be bought?
No, it can't. We also researched that. We had one company, ACE. If you add their flood endorsement to your homeowner's policy, they would include landslide. Their limit is the $250,000 on the house and $100,000 on contents. That's the only company that we could find.
So it is a restricted limit. I guess that's better than no limit at all.
Yes.
But it cannot be added to the national flood policy.
No, no.
Cannot. So I guess buyer beware.
Correct.
Thank you, Mary.